something. Oh, okay. Anyway, so you have, so we can look at some alternatives. School of Podcasting. So, and this is a big thing in the podcasting market right now, right? This is a really big thing because you have to understand. So to explain how big this is, you have to understand in the podcasting market, StreamYard served a very good segment for the podcasting live streaming market. Like it is one of the best products. It is for broadcasting, right? So the difference between streaming on StreamYard and streaming through OBS is that StreamYard allows you to invite people up to be a part of the panel. OBS built in does not have a feature like that. Ecamm does, but OBS does not. So that is the main number one use case that separates OBS from StreamYard, is that StreamYard allows people to create a panel atmosphere and invite people up to 10 participants. OBS does not have the ability to do that. So with offering all of those features, StreamYard offered a lot for the podcasting market, right? I'm not going to knock it for that. So this price hike is a big thing for a lot of people. That's a lot of money to pay for your podcasting, service. So I heard about Riverside this week, so I haven't looked into it yet. We're going to look into that as we go along in this process and getting people options and different streaming options. So we got Ecamm Live. So Ecamm Live is what Superslide uses. It's mainly on Mac, but you can use it on PC. Ecamm Live starts at $20 a month, and Ecamm Live is also like OBS as well. So it's all inclusive software. So we got Ecamm Live, create scenes, blah, 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 user stream deck, blah, 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 blah. So you can go to Pro with Ecamm Live for $40 a month, and prices drop to $16 to $32 if you purchase a year. Ecamm only works on Mac. Okay, so it only works on Mac. So if you don't have a Mac, you asked out on Ecamm. That's pretty much what that means. So now you got EVMux. So EVMux combines OBS is superior, but most people don't have the skill to use it. OBS requires some skill to get really advanced. Super Slides in there, no Ecamm slander tonight. We gonna let Ecamm live. Ecamm just gotta catch a stray. It just gotta catch one stray. EVMux combines the simplicity of StreamYard with pre-made scenes of Ecamm, and it works on all computers. Prices are $25 to $49 a month. That's what StreamYard started off as. Or $19 to $39 a month if you purchase a year. EVMux has lots of built-in features.